So this says, which of the following biconditional statements? We haven't talked about biconditional statements. A biconditional means that it goes both ways, and that's what these, you know how we had the theorems where if the lines are parallel, then the last class time we had, if the lines are parallel, then the corresponding angles are equal. And it's also true the other way. If the angles are parallel, if the angles are congruent, it makes the lines parallel. It's biconditional, as in it's going the if makes the then true, and the then makes the if true. It goes both directions. So two lines cut by a transversal are parallel if and only if the corresponding angles are supplementary. No, that's wrong, because they're supposed to be congruent, right? The corresponding angles would be like, here's my stamp here. The corresponding angles would be like this. Right? Do they have that one? Corresponding angles are congruent. That's the one we want. Two lines are cut by a transversal if and only if the alternate exterior angles are supplementary. No, that's not it. Alternate interior angles, let's look at what alternate interior angles are. That's like this one and this one. They're supposed to be congruent. See how they're both large? The large one is opposed to the small one. That's another good way to see. So it's not that they're supplementary, it's that they're congruent. Yeah, that, supplementary, no. Congruent, yes. The last one here, two lines cut by transversal form congruent alternate interior angles if and only if the two lines are parallel. This is fine. They asked it backwards from the way these were, but you're allowed to. That if and only if means that you can switch them around. So this one is also true. Two lines cut from a transversal form congruent alternate interior angles if and only if the two lines are parallel. I agree. Yes.